for me at Customs. Yeah, I'm at the Rutherford County Jail in Tennessee. I'm sick. They won't give me a blanket. I'm in the cell. It's super cold.
From Daily Driven Exotics are in town, and they are coming by Hoshi Ranch. A car show driving. Tomorrow night's going to be awesome because Dave and Damon are going to be there. They got 2 cars with them. We're going to have an awesome time at an upcoming trip to Japan again real soon. So
the air just sucks it up and then spits it out. Good morning from Texas. Alright fam, got an insane video for you guys today. Yep, Whistlindiesel Cody arrested again the second time. Tax evasion again. This time on the G-Wagon. Yep, I'm gonna bring you guys a voice recording here of what he's saying is going on in jail with him and how he's being treated, as well as I'm gonna give you some clips and a little bit of background of his first arrest for tax evasion again on the Ferrari. So hang steady. It's going to be a crazy video, as well as DDE gone to Texas. Check out the clip I'm going to show you guys here. I did drop the whole video on my channel, so you can go back and watch that. But let me get you updated. Car meet in Texas with Steve POV. And yeah, I believe they're going to be moving to Texas. That's my hunch from what I'm hearing and seeing. But hey, let me get you straight to the video. Hang steady.
And if you want some good footage, you want some Fast and Furious footage, this is the man to follow. Like and subscribe. Let's go.
Tommy G. McGee. Say hi to Lucci's boys.
Lucci!
Good to see you, man.
Lucci has really strong knuckles. They give him a fist bump. I always have bruises out. Yeah, bro. Legend.
You're the man, my boy.
This is a local legend.
My brother.
Hit that subscribe button. Stop messing around.
That's right.
Alright fam, got another wild video for you guys today. I'm going to get you guys right to it. Yes, Whistlindiesel arrested again, second time, tax evasion on the G-Wagon. And he bought this car in 2022. He demolished it, turned it into scraps, sold all the pieces. Man, they really have it out for him. Probably because he started making them videos, taunting them, saying he was going to bring the killdozer to court and all kinds of stuff. Hey man, a lot of people are using this loophole to buy cars. They've been doing it for years with the hypercars, supercars, and I guess they're going to use him to make an example out of him. And I believe his own county has it out for him too as well. I'm going to show you guys again a clip of a video I dropped prior with all the background information of his first arrest, and now he's on bail for the first one, so now it's making it harder for him to get out on the second one, and I'm sure he's going to do some time, maybe even a couple years. To be honest with you, I'm not even sure what they're doing is fully legal. But hey, let me give you guys a little clip of what is currently going on, and then I'll show you what's going on. I'll give you the voice recording as well on the clip, and then we'll get you over to a little bit of some DDE content with the car meet, Steve's POV, Gas Monkey Garage. They stopped by, so hang steady. They came in and arrested him, $2 million bail. Here's a little clip of what he had to say while he's sitting in the jail for his second time on tax evasion again. And it doesn't seem like they're treating him too well, but hey man, let me get you guys to this little clip here, and then we'll get you on to the rest of the video.
For me at Customs. Yeah, I'm at the Rutherford County Jail in Tennessee. I'm sick. They won't give me a blanket. I'm in the cell. It's super cold.
Alright, for some of y'all that didn't see my last video just dropped, I'm going to give you guys a little clip here, show you guys the car meet, Steve's POV. They stop over at Gas Monkey. And man, it's a wild video, so go back and watch the whole entire thing. I'm only going to give you a little sample here, put a couple extra things in for you as well. And like, share, subscribe if you guys like the content, the car community news. I'm always bringing the latest and the greatest. So hang steady. Let me get you over to that, and then we'll chop it up more at the end. Subscribe and smash the hype button for me. I appreciate it, man. Let's go.
There's Dave and Damon from Daily Driven Exotics are in town, and they are coming by Hoshi Ranch. A car show driving because Dave and Damon are going to be there. They got 2 cars with them. I'll be there as well, and we're going to have an awesome time at an upcoming trip to Japan again real soon. So
Off the back of Dave's car, like under the diffuser, the air just sucks it up and then spits it out. Good morning from Texas. Oh, someone came to say hi. Random.
Armed dove hunt, and it just kind of they passed away, you know, a few years ago.
Were they brothers?
No.
Well, just friends?
Friends.
So they're friends. One
Yeah.
was missing one arm, and one was missing the other arm.
Yes.
And they called the one-armed dove hunt.
Yeah.
So these guys are actually
all over the world come here and travel and come here to dove hunt. And,
Oh, really?
And they raise money for
amputees and stuff.
Yes.
So this is a real thing. Like
This is a real
these
thing.
are real guys. Your
Yeah.
town is known for that.
Yes.
What are the dude? Every time we stop somewhere, we get some crazy story.
Hey, so we have the air tractor here, what builds the crop dusters, the
Yeah.
yellow and blue crop dusters, what are, and they had the Red Bull flying out you know, when they shot the movie Planes.
Oh yeah,
Dusty.
yeah.
They built it out here at Air Tractor, and they shot
No way.
part of the movie here.
Oh,
yeah.
that's so
Yeah.
cool,
So-
dude. One-armed duck. We are in Olney, Texas, proud, home of the one-armed dove hunt. Look at this thing. What in the Whistlindiesel is that shit? Yo, we caught up to it. What the hell? The things you see on the road.
One more time. It's the mercy thing.
It'll really start after trying it that many times? There's no way.
I swear it will. At some point.
There's no way. You need a booster. Dude, it's a huge V12.
Hold on. Hold on. I promise it's coming.
There's,
One of those Rambo things.
there's no way.
I swear it is. Me. Hold on.
I don't know, man. I have one too, and I'm pretty sure that if it doesn't do the thing after like the first try.
It always does this to me.
Is it immobilized, Ron?
No, well, I think the alarm and I think the
Texas
starter-
Chihuahua. His car's not gonna start, is it, Texas Chihuahua?
Walking in gear?
I don't know, man.
Oh, come on, man. Do I have Lambo problems?
Bro, I don't know.
I've never had. It's never gone this long. Oh, dude.
I think you need a booster.
Just it was on there. I just took it off. You might have to throw it back on.
It's weird.
Bolts are you at your battery?
Yeah.
The battery. I just replaced it. I think it's a starter issue.
Turn it on for a sec.
Yeah.
And then put it on the voltage up top. See where it says rear bonnet door? Oh, you'll have to close this.
Yeah.
Close your doors and tell me what the voltage is at. What's it say? Can't see shit.
It says rear bonnet.
Oh. And we got it.
Finally. Tecnologia! Tecnologia!
Hoshi Ranch, we are cooking up some American Wagyu Japanese style here with our boy Steve Spielvey.
Yo, yo!
So if you guys ever want to come out here and you guys can get your grill on. How good is it, Dave? Dude, delicious, right? Insane. So you guys come get some American Wagyu Japanese style with my boy at Hoshi Ranch.
Oh yeah, thank you.
fam, so there's a lot of little snippets and clips from the car meet with Steve's POV and DDE at the ranch. And we'll give you guys a couple little clips of the last time that Gas Monkey and DDE got together. And I'm going to bring you guys some of the new clips, some sneak peeks before they drop that video so you guys can see what they got cooking. So hang steady, another clip on the way.
I have to invite you into the our ideology part of the Gas Monkey University here. So, a hippo, a longhorn, and a fancy zebra walk into a bar. That's all I got for you. You got to come up with your own tagline. You got to come up with your own finish. And the best one is going to get printed up there. It's a thought-provoking thing.
It is.
I think I have the best so far, and it's... Oh!
Man, mine was so much softer.
Straight to the punchline.
Alright guys, so there it is there. Give you guys a little bit of some footage, nothing to ruin the video when it comes out. They pull back up to Gas Monkey. And basically, they brought the two cars that they just wrapped, the Murcielago and Dave's car. And man, you see all the crazy stuff traveling through Texas. And actually, my boy Steve's POV, that's who was in the clip as well. They were out visiting him last time. He's a good friend of mine. He used to live out here. And when I first started doing YouTube, he was really, really good to me. And he technically showed me a lot in the car community stuff, and just a really good, genuine guy. And the big car meet out there, so you guys will be seeing that soon on the channel as well. I'm bringing you guys some more updates and some more stuff on pieces of that car meet, and more stuff with Gas Monkey and DDE. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about this. Leave your comment and opinion. And now I'm gonna get you straight over to, Houston Crosta speaks out. Man, saying he's back. You know, he didn't have any money issues, no problems like that. But he just had to, you know, clear up some things, and he just kind of wanted to get out of the business. Now he's, I guess, a little bit regretting it, saying he wants to go ahead and open up Royalty Exotics again. It's coming back.
Is the first day that I'm going to start working on my plan to bring back Royalty into the marketplace. And when I say bring back Royalty, I don't mean in Las Vegas, I don't mean in LA, I don't mean in Hawaii, I mean nationwide.
Alright fam, if you made it through the whole video, I appreciate you. Thanks for watching. Leave your comment and opinion. And again, appreciate all the new subscribers. Appreciate you hitting the like button. And I'll see you on the next video. Peace.
You trust, or you gonna rust. We right here chilling. You guys know what time it is, man. Hanging out with Lucci, Mr. YouTube, man. You better follow his ass, because if you don't, I come in fast and furious and get you. You know what I'm saying? I ain't playing, dog. It's a face of no plan. Check it out. Boom.